welcome back to the channel. Are you guys ready for today's video? Because you guys already know by the title what we are doing. We are recreating one of Lizzo's look. So fucking iconic, so pretty. This is the look right here. It's on my face all beat the fuck, period. Anyways, y'all, to be honest, a lot of y'all inspired this video because on a few of my shorts I've been seeing a lot of people trying to compare me to Lizzo. I'm not really sure why, because Lizzo is a bad bitch, okay? But you know, I'm never too bothered to be compared to a bad bitch, okay? I will take it. Manifest that shit on me, period. So this is what really inspired this video. I really wanted to recreate one of her looks that I thought was very pretty. So if you guys want to know how we create this look, keep on watching. But anyways, pause. If you are new to the YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe right now, because look at this face. Like, I know you want to subscribe. You see the face is big, and you're about to learn how to do it. I'm obsessed with this look, and you can tell. But anyways, y'all, don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the YouTube channel, because subscribing is the only way you can be part of the Glam Squad. If you don't know what a Glam Squad is, Glam Squad are best people on YouTube with like fashion, with like makeup, and sometimes we do sit down videos. For real though, let's stop talking and let's get into the tutorial. Let's go. Y'all, I am just super psyched for this look, and I'm gonna show you guys how to recreate it. Because I don't know, y'all, I feel like sometimes the look be looking like they are difficult to recreate, but they're really not. So yeah. Okay, so the first palette that I'm gonna go in with is the Butter London Natural Goddess palette, and it looks like this. I'm only gonna be using the little dark brown shade, and I'm using a big fluffy brush. So with that dark brown shade, I am mainly going to focus this on the outer corner of the eye, and I'm just gonna press it in. I'm not blending it, I'm pressing it in. Okay babies, once your shadow look like this, I am going with the same brush, but I am going with a different palette. This is the AYM Bright Matte palette, and I'm going in with that little brown shade with the same brush, because I hate cleaning my brushes, y'all. With the same brush, I'm gonna get on that brown shade, tap the access, and with that I'm just gonna focus it and blend that shade, and then wing it out. You know what I mean? We don't want it to be too harsh, so we're just taking our time. And y'all, if you're not comfortable with big brushes, use a little brush so you can have a little bit more control. But I'm good with it. So we're just swinging that brown out and then bringing it into our brow bone. So blend that. Okay, y'all, so once your shadow look like this, we're gonna switch the brush because that's a little gross. Well, now that our eyes is looking like this, let's add a little color to it. You know what I mean? So we're gonna go with the Dose of Colors Sassy Sienna's palette, and it looks like this. And I'm gonna use those two shades together, and I'm using like a very small dense brush so I can have a little control. So I'm using both of the shades. The names are Foxy and Brassy. Foxy and Brassy. Putting all of these babies together, get rid of the excess, and then focusing that on the top of the brow bone, and then blending it out. Okay, and this is it, y'all. I'm gonna leave it there, but I'm gonna go with my elf camo. No, this is the camo concealer matte finish. I'm just gonna place a little bit on top of my lid. I'm not really gonna cut the crease. I'm just gonna use my finger and just blend it. Okay, y'all, so with that same matte brow palette, I'm gonna go in with that yellow shade, and I'm gonna just put that on top of the lid where I need it. This is like the cut crease of it all. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, y'all, so anyways, this is how the look is looking so far, but if you guys look close at the picture, you guys will see some glitter on top of the eyes and also glitter like underneath the eyes. I don't know what he used to put those glitters. I don't know if it's like pressed glitters or actual like glue glitter that he glued. So anyways, so that's fine. So I don't know what the fuck he used, but I do know I have this ColourPop glitter. This ColourPop glitter, y'all, you can just use that. I'm gonna just put it on top of the lid and see how it looks, and if it's fucked up, then shit, and if it worked, then thank God, I guess. Oh, it looks so good. Can you guys see it? Sometimes camera don't be picking up those stuff. Oh, you guys can see it. Purr, 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 purr. I'm obsessed. I'm also gonna put that glitter on my brow bones, so I kind of have like this symmetrical thing going on, if you guys understand what I mean. The way that the wing is sharped, so I'm kind of gonna like do this with a black eyeshadow from the White Matte palette, and I'm just gonna yeah. Okay, also the little glitter under the eye. I don't know why he put it there, but not my business. Yeah. I am gonna go with like a very fluffy brush. I'm gonna go back with the yellow eyeshadow that I used for my eyes, and I'm gonna put that right under my face as kind of like a blush to kind of just bring everything together. Be careful with that though, because you know eyeshadow falls out. We don't want none of that. Yeah, that's pretty. Okay, y'all, so Lizzo's makeup artist did say he likes a glossy lip with like a matte finish, matte base. So this is what I'm doing. I'm gonna do a glossy natural lip because I kind of want the focus to be on the eyes. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, don't forget to give a big thumbs up and let me know what you guys thought of this look, if I did the look justice. Obviously it's not gonna look the same as it on me as it did on Lizzo, but like everybody's different, y'all, period. Anyway, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. And don't forget to check out my latest video. It'll be right here. Subscribe on my face right there, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.